Upon entering the scavenger hunt, you'll see this new little scoreboard. The scoreboard shows the player, the items you have found. It shows the actual assets you are looking for. It keeps track of the time, and it shows the player's rank, and then also the top 3 players for the month. How to enable fly mode. In the lower left, click the Altspace icon. Then, on the toolbar, click Settings, and then go down to Input and turn on Fly. Your avatar should now be able to fly. Hovering over the assets in the asset bar will give you a hint to where they are located. Way off in the distance you can see this little yellow speck. If I hover over this, I will get a block. Blue means it's extremely far away, and the closer you get, the color will change. Yellow blocks mean you are getting closer to the object. Think of the block colors as hot or cold. Red is hot and blue is cold. So once you have found the asset, go ahead and just click it. Once clicked, the scoreboard will update that you have found another object. Sometimes you'll hover over an asset and you'll hear that sound. That means it's working, but you may not see the block. You might have to adjust your view and then re-hover over the asset. Remember, when playing in 2D, holding Shift will speed up your avatar, or else try hitting the F button to teleport to get around quicker. A couple other tips are, you're able to move this bar around just by left-clicking on the bottom of it and dragging it where you would like. Another thing, you can left-click and right-click on the bottom and pull it towards you or away from you to make it bigger or smaller.